Are you moving with kids? Stay tuned as I'll be sharing tips on how to make moving with kids easier. Hi, I'm Joan Bang. I'm a real estate consultant in Los Angeles County. I guide, lead, and protect families during their home buying and home selling journeys. If you're moving with kids, you'll find the tips in this video helpful on how to make the move easier. If this is your first time here, be sure to hit the subscribe button so you'll stay informed of all future videos. Most often, a move represents an important step forward for the adults in the family because a new job, promotion, or financial success has allowed them to buy a more comfortable house in a different neighborhood. Moving from one house to another is seldom easy and can be easily troubling for children who prefer to stay where they are. But if parents are mindful of their children's concerns and needs, they can minimize the stress and discomfort. It's important to note that a move affects children and adults differently. People usually live in a house for about 5 years and then move on as their jobs and incomes allow. 5 years is a small percentage of an adult's life, but it's half the lifetime of a 10-year-old. It includes almost all the years he or she can remember. It may be the only home the child's ever known, and the place he or she feels most safe and comfortable. To children, a house is more than a place to live in. It's the center of their world, associated with familiar activities, sights, and sounds. A move disturbs a child's security and leaves something unknown in its place. Their friends and the familiar streets, schools, shops, trees, and parks are gone. The new neighborhood is someone else's world. The impact of a move on a child starts about the time he or she hears about it and often continues until the new house becomes home. It's not necessary to tell the young children about the big change immediately, although they must hear about it from their parents before someone else tells them. Here are a few tips to ease the stress of the move. Describe the move in a truthful, positive way. Tell upbeat stories about the benefits of the new house and location. Plan together to make the new setting feel like home with these ideas. 1. Ask about their favorite activities, and if they said soccer, then plan to explore youth programs in the new community that offers it. 2. Ask what they like best about the present house and assure them that you'll find a new home or community that has it. 3. Use children's literature. Books can help children prepare and understand difficult situations. Story characters who model successful coping strategies are an excellent resource for children. I find the Bernstein Bears Moving Day book helpful for young kids. 4. If the new home is too far away for the entire family to visit, show the children pictures of the house, yard, and neighborhood. Take videos of it if you can. Include pictures of each child's new room. 5. Young children need protection from the fear of the unknown. Listen carefully to their concerns and respond quickly to relieve their worries. It's normal, for instance, for a young child to worry that his or her toy box and shelf of stuffed animals might be left behind. Uncover those anxieties by actively involving your children in the process. Try to pack children's things last and include them in the packing process. 6. Don't just promise to let them decorate their own rooms. Take them to the paint store and let them bring home color swatches. We did a move when our daughters were young. To help create a familiar setting, we painted their new bedroom the same color as their current bedroom. 7. They must leave old friends behind. Plan a going-away party and let them invite their own guests to bring closure to that party. 8. Keep security objects such as favorite teddy bear or blanket close by. Keep your routine as normal as possible. Regular eating and nap times are important. 9. Encourage children to get outside and get to know the people and the neighborhood. 10. Encourage them to participate in school activities that appeal to them. Get them on a sports team and into clubs. Now on to teenagers. Most teenagers see themselves as adult members of the family, and they feel disrespected if they don't hear about the move early in the process. Also, they'll need time to work through the difficulty of leaving their friends. Ending relationships and saying goodbyes takes time, and is best done before the move. Some relationships will be extremely difficult to bring to an end, and these will require thoughtful, personalized planning. Even though teens seem more advanced in their social skills, they may worry a lot about making new friends and fitting in. Visit their new school and check out local activities and employment opportunities for young people. It's particularly important to let teens know that you want to hear about and respect their concerns. Blanket assurances may seem to your teen like you're dismissing his or her feelings. It may help to explain that the move is a type of rehearsal for future changes like college or a new job. At any age, get help if emotional problems arise. Ask a teacher for assistance or consider professional counseling. Don't let a serious problem slide. Eventually, the strangeness and temporary discomforts should diminish. New friends will become good friends. The new house may become the family gathering place for the holidays. In the long run, everything will work out fine. Well, there you go. I hope you find this video helpful. Please share in the comments below which tip you found most useful. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, let me know by hitting the like button, subscribing to this channel, and sharing this video with your friends. See you on the next one.